I am Gayatri, working as assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of 89C51 hardware block diagram under the Unit 1 Introduction to Embedded System of the course Automotive Embedded System. Today I am going to discuss about the introduction, features of 89C51 microcontroller, 8089C51 microcontroller structure, and pin configuration of 8089C51 microcontroller. Coming to the introduction, the 8089C microcontroller is a 8-bit on-chip based CMOS microcontroller. It is manufactured by Atmel and it is also known as 8051 series microcontroller. It is primarily used in embedded system, offering the advantage such as high flexibility, programmability, and easy to use. It finds application in various fields such as industrial control, automotive electronics, smart instruments, and has become a significant representative in microcontroller 51 family. And features of 8089C51 is having a 4K bytes of programmable flash memory, 3-level program memory clock, 128 x 8-bit internal RAM, 32 programmable input-output lines, 2 16-bit timer counter, 5 interrupt sources, programmable serial channel, low power ideal and power down modes, on-chip oscillatory and clock circuitry. 8089C structure, it is having a 8-bit central processing unit, oscillator circuit. Oscillator circuit is connected to 2 pins, X-tail 1 and X-tail 2, and it is having a 2 16-bit timer counters, 5 interrupt sources, programmable serial channel, low power ideal and power down modes, on-chip oscillatory and clock circuitry. Into the 8089C51 structure, it is having a 8-bit central processing unit, interrupt control unit, and it is connected to the external interruptions. Oscillator circuit, it is having a 2-pin which is X-tail 1 and X-tail 2, and it is having the bus control unit and it is connected to the 4 pins. It is having a program memory 4K and data memory which is of 128 bits, and it is having a 4 pairs of input-output ports P0, P1, P2, P3, and 16-bit timer and counter unit, serial port which is connected to transmitter and receiver circuit. And the continuation of 8089C structure, which is having 8-bit central processing unit centered around the arithmetic logical operation for computation and control, 128 bits of internal data accessible memory, internal RAM with address range of 00 to 7F, 21 special function registers distributed in the address range of 80 to FF used for various control function, program counter, 16-bit register for storing the address of next instruction to be executed, and 4K byte of internal flash memory on-chip ROM for storing programs and data. 4 8-bit programmable input-output ports P0, P1, P2, P3, and UART serial communication port, 2 16-bit timer and counters, 5 interrupt sources, and a 2-level interrupt control, on-chip oscillatory and clock circuitry. And 8089C pin configuration, it is having a 40 pins categorized into 4 groups, which is power, clock, control, and input-output ports. First one, power group, it is having a 2 pins which is VCC and ground, and it is connected to 40th pin 40 and pin 20. Pin 40 it is VCC, pin 20 which is ground, and clock which is having the X-tail 1 and X-tail circuit, oscillatory circuit which is connected to the clock group, and control unit which is connected to 4 pins, 29, 30, 31 and 9th pin, 29 which is program select, 30 which is address latch enable or program, and which is external interrupt, 31th pin, and 9th pin which is a reset pin. And coming to input-output ports, which is having the 4 pairs of input-output ports P0, P1, P2 and P3, and which is having a 8-bit ports. The Port 3, which is having a receiver UART serial communication port, interrupt ports, T0, T1, timer ports, and read pin, write pin, which is connected to the port 3. Okay, let's have some assessment. Which pin is used for address latch enable? And second question is that AT89C51 is a chip based on a dash CMOS microcontroller. Let's go through the previous slides. You can get the answers. Thank you. Thank you for listening.